In this video, I am going to show you how to link your eFootball account to your Konami ID. Linking your account keeps your game progress safe and lets you play on any device. To link your data, first open your eFootball and go to this extras option. Now click on support. Now go to this link data option. Then choose link Konami ID. This will redirect you to the official Konami website in your browser. Now click on proceed. If you already have a Konami account, then click here and log in. If not, then click here and register a new account using your email and password. It's free and takes less than 2 minutes. I already have an account, so that I am going to log in. Once you logged in, Konami will ask you for permission to link your game account. There you need to click agree and then click OK. That's it. Your eFootball is now officially linked to your Konami ID. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Comment below if you face any problems. I reply to every comment. Thank you.